Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the kit contents and immediately isolating the item. Put on gloves, then clean visible dirt with the supplied cleanser. This removes oils that block adhesion. Once done, blot dry with the microfiber cloth and wait 2-3 minutes for surface tack to dissipate. Next, perform the 24-hour hidden test to ensure no discoloration. If safe, move to the application area. Don't skip ventilation. Fumes affect both outcome and your comfort. You'll apply methodically so the protector bonds evenly. First, shake the spray for at least 30 seconds. This suspends active agents. Hold the nozzle 6 to 8 inches from the surface and mist one even coat. Avoid pooling. Once misted, use the applicator in small circular motions to spread uniformly. This improves penetration into fibers. Wait 10 minutes, evaluate coverage, and if needed, apply a second thin coat. Make sure not to exceed 2 coats to prevent buildup. To finish, let the treated item cure flat for 24 hours in a ventilated area. This completes the chemical bonding. Once cured, inspect for residue and gently wipe any excess with a damp cloth. This preserves appearance without compromising protection. If you encounter streaks or uneven sheen, reclean the affected small area and reapply one light coat, then recure. If adhesion fails, check your hidden test results and consider temperature or contamination as the likely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.